Hi, Nelda. Wishing you a wonderful and glorious 80th birthday. I hope that you are surrounded by many people, your family and friends that you loved, and may all your wishes come true. Again, happy birthday, and may God bless you always. Love you.
Happy 80th birthday to my cousin, Nilda Corbana Johnson. The Lord has given you many years in life according to Psalm 90 verse 10. May He continue to bless, guide, and keep you as you remain serving Him faithfully. Enjoy the celebration of your thoughtful children and grandchildren who have made this event to honor their mom and grandmom. Make this celebration a very memorable one. Again, happiest birthday to you, Neil.